Hi again, welcome back to another tutorial, and this one will be about how to fill your unfilled chip bags. Let's get started. So here, if you received a unfilled chip bag from me for your party, you will have them pre-crimped and pre-assembled. And it will have double-sided tape inside. But you might say, where's the double-sided tape? It's nothing there. Actually, there is. So once I crimp this, it is very easy to bypass that there is tape inside. But I want you to look a little bit closer into your bag and see where the tape rip is. So typically the tape rip will be in the front of your bag here. And there is a glossy texture there. And then if you look, you will see, let me try to see if I can show this on camera well. You will see that rip. I know the camera, it's right there. You can tell that it's something has been ripped off. And a lot of times customers think that I have not included it, but I always include it. That's why I'm making this video, to show you where it could be in your bag. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you can put chips in these bags. You can put candy, treats, little toys, things like that, whatever you want in the bag, okay? So most times people use chips, and you get the 1 ounce bag of chips. Now, I have no control over the fact if they are filled with so much air and things like that. There are a lot of different ways that you could still get this inside of your bag. So one thing that I do is, this is the simple way. You just stick it in, you push it in the bag, like so. Just kind of stick it in there. And a way to achieve this look is you kind of push the sides in. You take the tape off, rip it off, push from in the middle, and seal and shut. Now, if your bag of Cheetos, Cheeto Puffs or something like that isn't fitting in there, what you could do is take the bag of chips out and put it in a Ziploc baggie. Please understand that if these bags have any grease on them, because they are paper, they are handmade, if they have grease on them, the grease will seep through on your bags. You don't want grease spots out for your presentation for your party. So be very careful to make sure that your chips go into a sealed bag without any grease spots on them. Also, one thing I've noticed after the many years of stuffing chip bags is that Lay's and sometimes Cheetos have grease spots on the boxes that you purchase. And that's because there's grease spots on your bags. If you put a greasy bag inside of this without wiping it off and assuring that there's no grease spots or holes in it, your bag will have grease spots on them. So I do my very, very best to wipe down every bag if there is a grease spot on it, or I will put the unopened bag of chips inside of another bag to protect the covering so you don't receive a spot on your bags. But this is the correct way in order to fill these kind of bags. And so I'll go ahead and show you how to get the tape off. Now you may need to find somebody that has some nails or things like that to be able to peel that off, but it is there, I promise you. And actually, give me 1 second. I'm going to replace this with some Lay's. Maybe these Lay's hasn't. Okay, so I actually switched out the bag of chips because this bag needed to have Lay's in them, and it did have grease spots, so I put another bag on top of that bag. And most people don't have the bags that I have at home, so like I said, you can put it in a Ziploc bag, seal it up, and put it inside as well. The same with any other brand of chips. So anyways, I've already stuffed my bag. I've dented in my sides because I like this look. If you don't like this look, don't do it. But it also, for me, makes it easier to have this openness part here. So I'm going to go ahead and take the tape, the top part off. It is sticky. And then I'll do this to the bag, just like so. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps. And you can leave a comment, or you can always message me during my business hours. If it is outside of those hours, I will respond to you once I return. Thank you so much for purchasing, and I hope you guys have a great day.